Gary's got our deck laid out. We're going with 1/2 inch, 7-pound density. We'll be doubling up with that. Gary's cut our core, and we have to re-perf our secondary pieces. And then we'll start laying our bag and our laminate out and set up our infusion. We'll finish setting up the manifolds. We'll run our hosing. Then we'll close off the part in our bag and begin to bring the part under vacuum. And we'll mix it right there. Really slow, Bill.
8.1.
That's 1.5.
That's gonna go a hair over 8.
Go a hair over 8. We're going to shift it into hyperspace because there's only so much of this you can really watch. But stay tuned for upcoming videos of our Formula Sportsman and shifting back over to our Mako 254. And remember, if you haven't yet, go to our link in our bio and click on it. It takes you to the first episode of Making It Metan on our YouTube channel. Subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming episodes as well.